Today, I'm going to show you the daily working status of a self-propelled scissor lift. Hope you like it. It is well suited for various tasks such as indoor and outdoor cleaning, installation, and maintenance of billboards, etc. Because the characteristics of this type of lifting platform are small size, flexibility, and convenience. Only one person is needed to operate the machine to complete lifting, moving forward, backward, steering, etc. during aerial work. Compared with traditional hydraulic platforms, it greatly improves work efficiency and reduces the number of operators and labor intensity. The equipment is powered by a DC battery with no emissions and low noise, making it suitable for environments with high environmental requirements such as indoor most-free workshops and mall renovations. The pedal extension platform can be quickly extended to expand the working range, meeting the special needs of certain users. This equipment achieves a working height of 8 meters when elevated, which is sufficient to meet the operational requirements of warehouse shelving or building maintenance tasks. This equipment can achieve a maximum load capacity of 450 kilograms, allowing it to carry 2 to 3 workers plus tools and equipment simultaneously, significantly improving work efficiency. Moreover, we offer customized services, allowing configuration of key parameters such as platform height, load capacity, power type electric, diesel a hybrid, and one-touch leveling function. Certified to global standards including CE, ISO 9001, and ANSI safety certifications, backed by an exceptional 10-year warranty. Our after-sales service guarantees a 48-hour response time and provides global warranty coverage. If you're interested in this self-propelled scissor lift, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll reply to every message as soon as I see it.